Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an update for you for the whole collection project 10 pan. So in this project I'm working on 5 products that are more longer term and 5 products that I'm using for 10 times, or at least trying to. And I'm randomly rolling in the products and kind of deciding where they go as we go. So hope that is clear enough. I think you guys know this project by now, so we're good. Moving on to the first product that I haven't used, the Rimmel Apocalips Lip Lacquer in Stellar. Haven't touched. Moving on. Then my other long-term products I have all used, and actually really consistently as well. This is the Etos Smoky Eyes Pencil in the dark blue shade, which I'm using as kind of my eye base. The tip is getting a little bit dull again, and I thought I wouldn't have enough progress on this one to really show anything new, because when it's dull I feel like it's just moving a lot slower, and then when I sharpen it again it moves a bit quicker again. But I did make some progress on it. I almost marked it too high even, it seems like, when I was making the close-up shot. So yeah, I'm using this pretty much every single day that I'm wearing makeup, and that was 17 times in total over the last couple of weeks, and I used it 88 times before, and now I'm doing a really quick calculation. That is 105 uses in total on this guy, and it doesn't show. I've still got so much more to go on this one, but well, the lip lacquer I've actually used 2 times. So that's not really very thrilling either. Then we've got the MAC Lipgelee, and I hadn't really had much progress. Like, I've used it here and there. I stopped using it for an okay bit over the last couple of months because I wanted to really finish off that Gouache lip gloss that I was working on. But that's gone now. So I have made some progress on this one again. I've used this one 16 times, which brings me to a total of 58 uses on this guy, and I was able to make a pretty significant new marking on it. So really happy about that, and hopefully I can do the same within the next month until well, the end of this project really. So let's see how that one goes. Then I have the Nicki Minaj lipstick, the MAC Viva Glam Nicki collaboration, I guess, and this is what we still have left right there. I'm using this one as a cream blush, also very consistently. Pretty much every single day I put on my makeup, and this one I've also used 16 times. And for this one, that has brought me to a total of 87 uses. Yeah, it's just taking a pretty long time to get through this. I think I've used up about half or so what was in here, but that includes like the more pointy part of it. So I feel like I'm gonna need to use this at least 100 more times or so to get through it, but I'm making progress on it. I'm using it in a way that works for me, so I'm really happy about that. The one that I do not see disappear anytime soon is a L'Oreal Glam Bronze Trio in Blonde Radiance? No, Blonde Harmony. Yeah, I'm making progress on it. The pan is definitely starting to expand a little bit once again, but I've actually been trying to focus a little bit more on the bronzer side as well, and that imprint is still there, so it must be a little bit, there must be a little bit of hard pan on it or something. I'm just like slowly but surely working my way through like that for this one, and maybe by 2025 I will have this finished. I'm using this pretty much every day as well as my blush topper, so this one I have used an additional 16 times as well. And that brings me to a total of a crazy amount of, what is it, 143 uses. No, just kidding. 243 uses. That's crazy, but it does show that I've used it a lot this year, because that's all during the last year. 243 uses. And we probably still have another 243 to go. So yeah, those were my long-term products. Nothing rolling out, nothing rolling in, but I'm using almost all of them consistently except for the Stellar shade, but all the other ones I'm using on almost daily basis, so that is very exciting. Now moving on to the 10 uses products. Starting off with the one that has been in here the longest and that I have also not used. This is the Etude House lip stain in a very bright pink color. But of course I'm working on the pink shade that is already on my lips right here, so this one has not really been getting a lot of attention. It should be easy enough for me to just use this 5 times and roll it out, which I've kind of thought about, but I just really want to get this one done. So that is my main focus, and maybe I'll surprise myself, get it done, and still use this one 5 times by the finale for this project. Not expecting that to happen, but who knows. So yeah, that's a bit of a shame because it's been in here for a long time at this point, but it's just the way it is. Then moving on to the Urban Decay shadow box, and in here I should be working on the Moonshadow shade right here, which is a dark blue. Also for that one, I'm just too focused on my pen and palette at the moment, and nothing else can come in for now. So also that one I have used 0 times. So the lip stain I've used 5 times in total. This one I've used 4 times in total. For both of them, like, it should be easy enough to hit the 10 uses, but not if I also want to make the progress that I want to make on some of my other products. So yeah, it's kind of sad, but it is the way it is. Then the Sleek palette right here, this is a shadow that I rolled in the last time, and in here I'm working on Organza for this project, which is this shade right here. And I have used this 1 time over the last month, and that is today. I have it topped over a purple shade from my Vice palette, just to make sure that at least I had that 1 use at it. And this one is easy enough to kind of top on top of something. It doesn't, well, I want to say it doesn't take away from my uses on anything else. I would have normally gone for the silver shade on top. That's in my pen and palette, which I didn't do. But I just wanted to play a little bit today. So I have used this once because of that. And then lastly, we have 2 blushes that rolled in, both from the same Blush by Tree palette from Sleek. This is a Lace palette, and in that I've worked on Crochet and Guipure. Crochet is a very orange shade right here, and Guipure is the middle shade, which is kind of like the rose gold Nurse Albatross dupe. So let's start with Crochet. I have been focusing a little bit more on over the last month, and that one I have actually managed to use 10 times. It doesn't really show. Like, you can see that the blush has been used because there is some little like I don't know, hair pricks in there. Does that even make sense? I don't know. But yeah, you can see that it's been used, but not a whole lot. So these shades are so pigmented anyway. Then Guipure I have already used a little bit more before, but this time around I've only used it the 1 time because I've also got Sleek's Rose Gold blush in one of my projects, and I kind of had to divide my attention between 4 blushes over the last month. So I got 1 use out of this one, and that is me wearing it today. So yeah, still 9 more uses to go on this one, which I think should be possible because I don't have any blushes that I'm really trying to finish at this point. Like, I was hoping to finish at least 1 blush this year, but I know that's not going to happen. So I feel a little bit more free to play with loads of different things there, because I'm not gonna like not hit a specific goal if I do that, basically. So that does mean 1 product rolled out, which does mean I can roll 1 more product in. So I'm just quickly grabbing my laptop, which I have right behind me, and we're gonna take a look at what I will be rolling in. So I'm not going to be rolling in any new eyeshadows because I already have 2 in here, so that is the one thing that I'm definitely not going to be doing, which means I've got the numbers 1 to 30, which could possibly also include a new blush, which probably means I won't hit my goal on that one either, but let's just see where this is going to go. So I've got the numbers 1 through 30 in here, and we are rolling number 16, which... yeah, which is another Rimmel Apocalips lip lacquer, and this one is in Across the Universe. I think this was in here at the start of this year as well. It is a pretty dark red shade. I like the shade, but I also rolled a pretty similar shade into the Roulette Pan COLLAB, I want to say. But I'm just gonna grab it anyway. Like, I know anything that I'm gonna roll in here I won't have amazing progress on for the rest of this year anyway, so let's see, maybe I can wear it once and just have some fun with different lip products, because I've got yeah, I'm gonna get it. Okay, so I grabbed my third Rimmel Apocalips lip lacquer. I've got 3 in my collection and all 3 of them are in products once I roll this one in. And as you can see, like, it is a dark red shade that I would be working on. And I'm just gonna see. I don't think I will be using this very much. If I use it once or twice, I'd be happy. I don't think I will be getting to the 10 uses, but yeah. I'm just kind of ready to get to the end of this year and just kind of start fresh in the new year and refresh a lot of my products and projects and those types of things. Still having fun with the things that I'm trying to do, but at the same time I'm getting a bit overwhelmed with all the stuff that I can just never touch. And I know that you guys are okay with that, and it's still all about having fun with your collection, and it's not a race, or I shouldn't be putting too much pressure on myself, which I'm not really doing. I just feel like it's kind of a shame if I don't actually touch the products that are in my projects. But I do like to see like nice progress on at least some of the products, hence my full focus on my Planet palette or some other lip shades, for example. But that's fine, I'll survive. So for next time, I don't think I will be like hitting a lot of goals. Like possibly I might hit the 9 more uses on Guipure. I think that could be possible. I don't think I will be touching the eyeshadows or the lip products in my 10 uses enough, but I am hoping to still show some progress on these 4 like longer term products. So the eye pencil, at least a little bit of progress, the MAC Nicki lipstick, the Lipgelee from MAC as well, and then of course the Glam Bronze Trio. But yeah, let's see. I don't think anything will be finished except for hitting the 10 uses on that Guipure blush. But yeah, that is it for today. So thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye!